children. So I am your math teacher. In our previous class, we did some problems in chapter 6, exercise 2. Today also we are going to solve some more problems from exercise 2. Okay? See here. If the third and ninth terms of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? If the third and ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 8 respectively, which term of the AP is 0? Okay, see here. If the third and the ninth term of AP are 4 and minus 8, which term of the AP is 0? Here we don't have A value, first number we doesn't know, and also we don't know the common difference. But here one hint is given, that is the third and ninth numbers are given. Okay, so which number of this AP series is will become the 0. So for that, first what is given in the question, write the first. What is given that? What is given that in the question? The third number of the AP is 4. Third number of AP is 4. Like that only, ninth term of the AP is minus 8. Ninth number of AP is minus 8. By using these two clues, we have to find the nth term which will become in the 0 of the AP. See here, we have the formula for the third term in AP series. To find the third term, what is the formula? Yes, to find the third term is equal to 4. To find the third term formula is A plus 2D. A plus 2D is the formula to find the third term. So that's why the third term of the AP is 4. Third term, in the place of third term, I am writing A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 4. That is given in the question itself. Third number of AP is 4. The formula to find the third number in AP is A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 4. Let us take this is as equation number 1. Next, ninth number of AP is minus 8. We don't know that series, but in that the ninth term of that AP is minus 8. And also we know the formula to find the ninth term in the AP series. What is the formula to find the ninth term in the AP series? Yes, to find the ninth term in the AP series, the formula is A plus 8D. To find the ninth term in the AP series, the formula is A plus 8D. A plus 8D is minus 8. Let us take, this is equation number 2. See here, from the given information, from the question only, we wrote two equations. That is, third term of AP is 4. Third term formula is A plus 2D. So, A plus 2D is equal to 4. Let us take that is equation number 1. Ninth term of the AP series is minus 8. To find the ninth term in AP series, the formula is A plus 80. A plus 80 is equal to minus 8. So, here we got two equations. These two are linear equations with two variables. Okay. So, let us solve these two linear equations by the elimination method, which we have learned in 4th chapter. Okay. I I will explain next topic in the next class, this elimination method. Now see here, in these two equations, we have to try to cancel any one variable. Either it is A or D, any one we can cancel. So then we can get the another variable value. So here I am trying to cancel the A term. So for that we have to do the subtraction. Then only we can cancel. I am doing the subtraction. To equation 1 minus equation 2. Okay. So then what it will become? A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. When we are doing the subtraction, we have to change the signs of the second equation. So here plus A becomes minus A, plus 8 becomes minus 8, minus 8 becomes plus 8. A minus A get cancelled. 2 minus 80, 2 minus 80, 2D minus 80, it will become minus 60. Minus 60 is equal to 4 plus 8, that is equal to 12. Now let us find the D value. D is equal to 12 by minus 6. So if we cancel 12 with minus 6, 6 ones are, 6 twos are, D value is minus 2. Okay, here we find the D value we got here. If we substitute this D value in any equation, whether in first equation or in second equation, that is our wish. If we substitute D value in any equation, then we will get the A value. Okay. So then if we know the A and D value, then it will become easy to find the nth term in the 0. See here. Substitute D value in, I am substituting D value in equation number 1. So what is equation number 1? A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 2 into, in the place of D, I am writing minus 2 to get the value of A is equal to 4. See, A 2 2s are 2 into minus 2, it will become minus 4. A minus 4 is equal to 4. A minus 4 is equal to 4. Why here we got minus 4? 2 into minus 2, it will become minus 4. A minus 4 is equal to 4. To find A value, A is equal to 4. If we take the minus 4 to the right side of the equal sign, it will become plus 4. A plus 4 plus 4 is equal to 8. Okay. So here we got the A value and D value. A is equal to 8 and the D is equal to minus 2. But our problem is not completed. What we have to find here again? Which term of the AP is 0? In the AP series, which term will become the 0? Which term? Which term means we have to find the nth term. So here we got A value 8 and D value is minus 2. But what we have to find here, which term of AP is become 0? Which term? Nth term we have to find here. Okay. So AN value is given, it will become 0. Which term of AP series will become the 0? So we have the formula to find the nth term in the AP series. AN is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. AN already it is given in the question, that is 0, is equal to A and D values we find by using the third term and ninth term of the AP series. So substitute A and D values in this formula. A value is 8 plus n minus n. That only we are going to find which term. Which term means nth term we are finding here. So we don't know the n value. I am writing the n value as it is minus 1 into D value. What is t value here? Minus 2. So let us simplify this one. 0 is equal to 8 plus multiply n minus 1 with minus 2. N into minus 2 minus 1 into minus 2. Okay? See. 0 is equal to 8 minus 2 into n minus 2n minus into minus plus 2 ones are 2 plus 2. Okay. So minus 2n 8 plus 2 it will become 10. 10 minus 2n is equal to 0 minus 2n. Take it to the left side, then we will get the n value. Minus 2n, if we take to the left side, it will become plus 2n. 2n is equal to 10, n is equal to 10 by 2. That is equal to 5. N is equal to 5. So, fifth term of this AP series will become the 0. Are you understand? See here once again. If the third and nth term of the AP are 4 and minus 8, that is given in the question, which term of the AP is 0, that we are going to find here. We know the formula to find the third number of the AP series, and also we know the formula to find the ninth term in the AP series. So, third number in the AP series, third term in AP series formula is A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 8D is the formula to find the ninth term in the AP series. A plus 8D is equal to minus 8. So, let us take these two are equation number 1 and 2. If we subtract equation 2 from equation 1, then signs will become changed. Here A get cancelled. 2 minus 80 it will become minus 60. 4 minus 8 will become plus 8. 4 plus 8 will become 12. So, if you find the D value, D is equal to 12 by minus 6. 6 ones are 6 twos are D value minus 2. So, this D value I am substituting in the equation number 1 to get the A value. So, if I substitute D value in the equation number 1, what is equation number 1? A plus 2D. A plus 2D is equal to 4. A plus 2 into D. D value, what is the D value? Minus 2. So, 2 into minus 2 is equal to 4. A plus 2 2s are plus 2 into minus 2 becomes minus 4 is equal to 4. A is equal to 4 plus 4. A value is 8. So, here we got A value and D value, but we have to find the which term of AB is 0. Which term? Which term means nth term we have to find. That we have formula to find the nth term. An is equal to A plus n minus 1 into D. So, here I am going to substitute A value, D value and An value in the formula. If I substitute An is equal to 0 and A value is 8 and D value is minus 2. 0 is equal to 8 plus minus 2 into n, minus 2n, minus into minus becomes plus, 2 ones are 2. 8 plus 2 that is equal to 10. 10 minus 2n is equal to 0. So, I am bringing that minus 2n to the left side of the equal sign. If I bring the minus 2n to the left side, it will become plus 2n. 2n is equal to 10, n is equal to 10 by 2, n value becomes 5. So, if we write the AP series, then we will get the fifth number as a 0. Okay, are you understand? So, let us write A value is 8. So, first number is 8. A value is nothing but A1 value. So, first number is 8. D value minus 2. So, 8 minus 2. 6. 6 minus 2. 4. 4 minus 2. 2. 2 minus 2. 0. See, if you observe the AP series according to this information, so what is the numbers in the AP series? 8, 6, 4, 2, 0. Which term of this AP series will become 0? Fifth term. Yes. This is first term, second term, third term, fourth term and the fifth term. So the fifth term of this AP series will become the 0. So like this we have to find the nth term, which is if we don't know the A and B values. Okay. Let us see one more problem. See here, the 17th term of AP is exceeds its 10th term by 7. Then find the common difference. The 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Find the common difference. See here, the 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. Okay, in a AP series, the 17th term will become 7 more than its 10th term. Exceeds means more. So 17th term of AP exceeds its 10th term by 7. So if we write an AP series, the 17th term will become more than the 10th, 7 more than the 10th term. Are you understand? So if we write the series in AP, according to this information, the 17th term of this AP series will become 7 more than the 10th term. Okay. By using this information, let us write the formula to find the common difference. So 17th term is equal to 10th term plus 7. According to the question, what is given in the question? The 17th term of AP is 7 more than its 10th term. So, according to the question, 17th term of AP is equal to 10th term plus 7. 10th term plus 7. So, to find here we don't know the A value, but we know the formula to find the 17th term and also 10th term. To find the 17th term of AP, what is the formula? Yes, very good. To find the 17th formula of AP is A plus 16D. 17th term of AP formula is A plus 16D is equal to 10th term of AP series. Formula is A plus 9D. So 7 exceeds, that means plus 7. Okay. So write all the A's one side and D's one side and constants one side. So A plus A, you bring it to this side. A plus 16D. All the variables write left side and all the constants write another side. So A plus 16D plus A, if we write left side of the equal sign, it will become minus A. Plus 9D, if we take to the left side of the equal sign, it will become minus 9D is equal to 7. See here we wrote all the variables one side and constants one side. A minus A become cancelled. A minus A value becomes 0. 16D minus 9D. 16D minus 9D, that is equal to 7D. 7D equal to 7, then D is equal to 7 by 7. If we cancel 7 with 7, it will become 1. So D is equal to 1. Therefore, the common difference of this AP series is, what is it? Are you understand this one? So here 17th term of AB is x is 10th term by 7. So 17th term formula is a plus 16d is equal to 10th term formula is a plus 9d. So it is x is by 7. So that's why plus 7 I am writing. So now write all the variables one side and the constants one side. A plus 16d plus a becomes minus a plus 90 becomes minus 90 is equal to 7. A minus a will become 0. 16d minus 9d, 7d. 7d is equal to 7. If we cancel d is equal to 7 by 7, then it will become 1. So here the common difference of this AP series is 1. Are you understand? Now let us see one more problem. For what value of n or the for what value of n or the nth term AP, two APs. Okay, see this one. For what value of n or the nth terms of two APs? Here two AP series are given. First one is 63, 65, 67, so on. And the second AP series is 3, 10, 17, so on. So, which term of first series and which term of second series will become equal? Which term? Which term means what we have to find here? We have to find the nth term. Which term will become equal of these two AP series? Are you understand the question? See here, we have two AP series. For what value of n? So here we are going to find the n value of the both series. In this n value and in this n value becomes equal. So which term will become equal? We are going to find that one. See, for what value of n are the nth terms of two APs? Here two AP series are given. First one is 63, 65 and 67, so on. And second AP series is 3, 10, 17, so on. So, in this nth term and the second AP series nth term, both are equal. That one we have to find here. So, from first one, what is the first series? The first series is 63, 65, 67, so on. From this, let us find A value and N value. So here, what is the A value in the first series? First number is the A value, that is equal to 63. And what is the common difference? D is equal to 67 minus 65 or 65 minus 63. Any formula we can use. D is equal to A2 minus A1. So 65 minus 63, it will become 2. A value is 63 and D value is 2. So let us find the A and D values in the second series also. What is the second AP series? 3, 10, 17, so on. So what is the A value in the second series? A value is 3. And the D value is equal to A2 minus A1. It will become 10 minus 3 is equal to 7. So, in this nth terms are same. Okay. So, in this An is equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. Here also a plus n minus 1 into d. Nth terms are equal. So which term will become equal? That term we have to find here. So here this an value and this an value becomes equal. Okay. So an is equal to an. That means a plus n minus 1 into d in the first series will become equal to the a plus n minus 1 into d of the second series of the AP. Okay. See, let us substitute these values. Let us take this is a value is 63 plus we don't know the n value. That only we are going to find. N minus 1 into d value becomes 2. So here also is equal to a value 3 plus n minus 1 into d value is 7. So 63 plus 2 into n, 2n minus 2, and here it is 3 plus 7 into n, 7n minus 7. 7 into n, 7n minus 7 ones are 7. Now in this nth term and in this nth term, here we are taking two series in AP. In this nth term and in this nth term will become equal. So when it will become equal, that we have to find here. So these two are equal. So this, let us take this is 1 and 2. 1 is equal to 2. Okay. See, 63 plus 2n minus 2 is equal to 3 plus 7n minus 7. 63 minus 2, it will become 61 plus 2n is equal to 3 minus 7. 3 minus 7, it will become minus 4 plus 7. Now, minus 4 bring to left side of the equal sign and plus 2n write to the right side of the equal sign. So if I write minus 4 to the left side of this equal sign, minus 4 becomes plus 4. 61 plus 4 is equal to 7n plus 2n. If we take to the right side of the equal sign, it will become minus 2n. 61 plus 4, that is 65 is equal to 5n. Then n is equal to 65 by 5. 5 ones are 5, 5 3s are 50. So here n value is equal to 13. That means what we are understanding from this problem, 13th term of first series is equal to the 13th term of second series. Are you understand the question? So from these two series in AP, the 13th term of first series and the 13th term of the second series are the equal. Are you understand? Okay. See, for what value of n are the nth terms of APs? Here two series are given. Which term of both series will become equal? That we find here. Okay, in this nth term and in this nth terms are equal. So that's why if we substitute a and d values and in the first formula, that is a n is equal to a plus n minus 1 into t, and a value d value here also I substituted. So these two n values are same. So if we simplify that, here we got the n value is equal to 13. That means the 13th term of these two AP series will become equal. Okay. Now let us see one more problem. How many multiples of 4 lies between 10 and 250? Okay, thank you.